Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Me Plus Everything. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you guys can see here, I have a box, an unopened box, which means I will be doing an unboxing for you guys today. So yeah, that's today's video. And what I have here is a smokeless grill. Let me actually put it up for you guys so you can see. So this is a smokeless grill that my fiance actually got from one of my brothers for Christmas last year, and we've never put it to use. Yeah, we just never got to use it, and so finally I'm like, you know what, let me just make an unboxing video. And you know what, actually I'm going to be putting this baby to use, and if you guys want to see that, go ahead and check out this video right here. I did a collab video with one of my good friends, Shong, so go ahead and click on the video link. I will leave a link in the description box down below as well, and you guys can go and watch and see us cook some yummy steaks. But in the meantime, let's open this up. So, well, first of all, it says smokeless infrared technology, quick, clean, non-stick, easy to clean grid, quick setup, 2 parts only, quick 6-minute preheat time, and collects all grease in one place, and dishwasher safe parts. Sounds all good to me, right? I don't think I've ever... Oh, okay, my fiance, he's more into like the grilling and whatever products. I am not really into that, but I feel like he has seen reviews of these before, and I feel like he has shown me once before, but I don't remember. Okay, so let's open this up. Can't really see that, but okay, so this is just a cord. Am I supposed to open this? Okay, yep, so that's the cord part. Don't need that. Oh, this thing is quite big. I don't know what this is. Just a cardboard. Don't need that. All right. So I believe this is the grill, and this is the scraper that comes with it. That's how it looks like. So, I think this is the grill part. It's kind of small. It looks like this. I don't know, I can't tell what kind of material this is. I'm not too good with materials, you guys. Okay, so that's that. And, oh, it comes with a little booklet with some recipes. That's nice. Okay, it also comes with the user manual, also in Spanish. Okay, let's just pull this thing out, and I think that's it. That is it, you guys. It is literally 2 parts, like what it said. Okay, so this is a warranty. Okay, let's open you up. Okay, let's take these out. Alright, you guys, so this is how it looks like. So it looks like the infrared is on this side. Obviously it's not red right now, but it is a little bit of a yellowy color. It looks like glass, or maybe it is just a reflection. I'm not too sure. There's a little dial over here. Okay, so the drip pan is on the side of the dial. Okay guys, so that is all for this unboxing. It is literally just 2 parts. I mean, technically 3 with that little drip pan. But if you guys want to see this bad boy be put to use, go ahead and click on this link here, or click on the link down below in the description box, and you guys will see us grill some yummy steaks on there. So thank you guys so much again for watching. If you guys are not yet subscribed, please do. All you gotta do is click that subscribe button right there. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell right afterwards. It'll notify you every single time I have a new video out. But yeah, in the meantime, thank you guys, stay safe, and see you guys next time. Bye.